Decoding a message. You have managed to intercept an important message and you are trying to read it. You realize that the message has been coded and can be decoded by switching each letter with a corresponding letter. You also notice that each letter is paired with the letter that it coincides with when the alphabet is reversed. For example, A is encoded with Z, B, with Y, C, with X. You read the first sentence. After a few minutes, you manage to decode it. I hope nobody decodes this message. Create a function that will instantly decode any of these messages. You can assume no punctuation or capitals, only lowercase letters, but remember spaces. I'm using JavaScript for this solution, and let's do it. The decode function starts by splitting the message string into an array of individual characters using the split method. It applies the map method to each character in the array. For each character, it checks if it is not a space character. If the character is not a space, it enters the if block and performs the decoding operation. The decoding operation involves the following steps. It calculates the ASCII code of the character using el.charCodeAt. It subtracts 97 from the ASCII code to get a value between 0 and 25. It subtracts this value from 26 to reverse it. It adds 96 to the reversed value to get it back to the ASCII range of lowercase letters. It converts the resulting ASCII value back to a character using string from charcode. If the character is a space, it enters the else block and assigns a space character as the decoded value. The map method collects all the decoded characters and returns them as an array. Finally, the join method is called on the resulting array of decoded characters to concatenate them back into a single string. The resulting decoded string is returned as the output of the decode function.